Hello everyone, welcome back to Queenbbee Inspiration. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 refreshing and healthy juice right at home. We're going to be making carrot juice, sugarcane juice and watermelon juice. These are perfect for staying cool, for glowing skin and boosting your health. So grab your blender and let's get started. We're going to start with carrot juice. First of all, I'm sorry for not making this video myself based on 1 or 2 reasons. Health-wise, I tried to look for video in order to illustrate what I'm gonna say. So please listen to the voice over. I beg you. I'm so sorry for that. So first, let's start with carrot. You wanna get your carrot quantity you like. Water, pinch of salt, sugar and lemon juice. That sugar and lemon juice is optional. For the carrot, you peel and chopped it and slice it as you want. Do you understand? Now let's get right into it. Add the carrot and water into your blender. Blend until it's smooth. Now you want to strain the juice to remove the plums. Do you understand? If you don't want to strain it, fine, you serve it as smoothie like that. Now add a pinch of salt, sugar and a little lemon of juice if you like. Do you understand? And that is it. Your juice is ready. You want to serve it chilled, honestly, with ice block, or you can refrigerate it immediately after you're done. And voila, your juice is ready. Honestly, stop buying all this store-bought juice. Something I don't know the chemical they use in preserving it. Doing it right at home yourself is the best, honestly. So we're moving to the next, watermelon. See, watermelon has so much benefits, likewise carrot as well. Watermelon, the benefit of watermelon I'm going to share to you now that you don't know. Watermelon works for flat tummy. Yes, you hear me right. Watermelon works for flat tummy. When you blend it with the seed together without you adding anything, take it, drink it, let it be the last thing you take at night before going to bed. Trust me, the next morning you visit the toilet and you see how flat your tummy will be. Do this consistently. Honestly, you will love your tummy. Nobody will tell you this. Stop buying organic something to flatten your tummy. The thing they use in producing that thing, you don't know. I don't know the side effect. They will lie to you that there's no side effect. These are natural fruits that God gave us to refreshing us. God that gave us is not mad. Watermelon has a lot of benefit. Let's get into the video. So, you need to get your watermelon, water, cold water, sugar and lime juice. The lime juice and sugar is optional depending on your taste. Now you want to slice your lemon to your desired taste. Now you add the lemon and water to your blender. In this video, this person is using hand mixed blender, whichever blender you're using. Just listen to the voice note. Water and watermelon into your blender. Blend until it's smooth. You can strain it if you want a smoother juice, or leave it like that to be served as smoothie. Add the lime juice and a little sugar if needed. Served cold, like in a summer, in a summer cup. You can serve it directly like you're seeing in this video. This person is serving it with ice cubes, or you put it directly into the fridge. You're going to enjoy it. Then voila, your watermelon juice is ready. You're good to go. Now let's move to the next, sugarcane. I couldn't get a video of how to do it, how to make sugarcane with blender. I wish I was at home. I would have done that for you, but I'm not home right now. So as I was saying in this video, now they're using this machine to strain out the juice out of this sugarcane. I'm going to tell you how to do it with your blender. We are making sugarcane juice. It's super hydrating and perfect for hot weather. Sugarcane has a whole lot of benefit that nobody knows. You need to go and meet those aboki that sell sugarcane that they already peel the body, so that it'll be easier for you to blend it with your blender. Since nobody has this machine in Nigeria, or I don't know if anybody might have, because this machine you're seeing in this video is not in Nigeria. Now you need to get a small piece of ginger, lemon juice and a bit of water, because sugarcane already itself is water. The juice itself is water. So now add the sugarcane and ginger into your blender. Pour a little water and blend well. Strain the juice to remove the fibers. Add your lemon juice to taste. Serve it with ice. It's naturally sweet on its own. Do you understand? You can do sugarcane juice with your blender. Do you get? Once you buy your sugarcane from those aboki that used to hawk, they've already peeled the back. We tell them to dice it again for you. Just go and put it in your blender with ginger to your taste. Pour the little water and blend it. Do you get? And that's it, voila, your juice is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. On my YouTube short, there is a video of how to grow pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and the rest. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please, your little support go a long way. Thank you guys.